Lift a flap, world of animals. Eric Carle. In the forest, can you find buzzing bees, a hopping frog, and other creatures among the trees? Look at the bees, the hopping frog, butterfly. Stop. Here. Help with what? Eggs from the birds. Ooh, an apple. That's so neat. A beautiful flower. Wow. That's in the forest. Now, on the farm, can you see fluffy chicks, leaping lambs, and other animals around the barn? Ooh. Now look closer and find these hidden things. Oh, it looks like one of our flaps got taken off. A sunshine. And a cow. Moo, says the cow. Moo, cow. Now, in the ocean. At the ocean, can you spot swimming fish, scuttling crabs, and other creatures under the sun? Look at that bird in the sky. Wow, and a moth. Oh, and a lobster. Oh, what's that? What's that? And what's that? Hmm. Seahorse. What's that? Wow, what a beautiful page. On the savannah, can you find a trumpeting elephant, a laughing hyena, and more animals by the watering hole? Oh, look at these beautiful creatures. Oh, a cheetah. Oh, a lion, a mama lion and her baby. Oh boy, beautiful. In the Arctic, can you see a swooping gull, a playful seal, and other creatures in the cold? Now look closer to find these hidden things. Look at the a snowflake or a star. We have a fishy. In the rainforest, can you spot a sleepy sloth, a hissing snake, and other animals among the leaves? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, toucan and a frog. Hop, hop, hop. Hi, Jay. An ant. Last page. Hold on 1 second, buddy. At the house, can you find singing birds, busy bugs, and other animals and friends all around? Now look closer and spot these hidden things. I see a bird. I see a cat. I see a rabbit. I see a grasshopper. Another rabbit. Oh, another kitty. Another bird. And the end. Yay!